over. We were not live in all our other places. Hey, everybody, we're live, and I'm starting over. We are live. I'm Laura Berman Fortgang. I am a master credentialed coach, a 5-time best-selling author, and a TEDx speaker. Here to talk today about your foundation, your business and personal foundation. Is your foundation built in concrete or is it built on sand? And we all know that a structure cannot stand if it's built on sand. Wow, that rhymed. So let's talk about your personal foundation first. How you know if you have a strong personal foundation is this. If you are, if your well-being, your mental well-being, your outlook on life is completely circumstantial, if things are going good, then you're good. If something goes right, then you're right. That's circumstantial foundation, right? It's if things are good, you're good. But a true core power foundation is when you are less shaken by the bad things that happen. Yes, you may have a setback. Yes, may have a bad day. You might have a bad business transaction, but you get back on track and you know your core power, your core foundation is concrete and firm because you know that, all right, you're going to get through it. So now the same with your business. Is your business at the whim of your mood? Is your business at the whim of the wind, right? Here's 5 signs that your business is on a shaky foundation. 1, your income is sporadic. 2, you don't have a ongoing source of leads. Leads are sparse. 3, your mood determines your business building activities. 4th sign you're on a shaky business foundations, your clients don't refer to you. You work with them, but no one's bringing in other business for you. Also, you may be hiding and not going out and having those business conversations or going to networking groups. And I mean, I can't even name how many times people are like send people to their website or to their Instagram instead of having a conversation about what they do. Those are 5 signs that your business is on a shaky foundation. So how do you get a strong foundation? We're going to talk about that in terms of business. You have to have systems. You have to have automation. You have to have clear ways of doing things. And it doesn't matter if you're a beginner. If you have repeatable ways that you do things, repeatable packages that you charge, people that are charging different things for different people, like whatever the mood strikes, that tells me you don't have a strong foundation. That means you probably can't even talk about what you do in a way that's confident and firm. You got to think about your business. Like, could it go on if something happened to me? Like a lot of us who are self-employed, the business is us. But I know if I got sick for 2 weeks, there are enough systems in place, enough operations, enough automation, enough repeatable things going on that my business can run without me for a while. So that's what I'm asking you today. Can your personal core stay firm? Can your business core stay firm? And if you don't have that foundation, it's really hard to do it. So how do you build that foundation? We probably need a couple of more power hours here to do it. But let me tell you that as you can see across the screen, and if you're on Instagram, you can see this at the link in my bio, I'm doing a course called Foundations. Surprise! So let me introduce you to Foundations. What makes you think that you can have a sustainable business if it doesn't have a core? So you might want to join me for Foundations starting on July 25th, where I'm going to give you what you need to put core pieces in place so that your business is strong. It does not depend on your mood. It does not depend on if setbacks happen, that you can keep moving forward. We're going to talk about how to talk about what you do, how to create packages to charge that people will say yes to, how to do sales calls, how to close clients, how to have the infrastructure in your business so that things can happen whether you're in the mood or not, and how to market your business. So this is for coaches and consultants and people not just starting out with their own business, but those of you who don't have a strong core underneath you. Thomas Leonard was my mentor, and he used to talk about your foundation and that every time you grew or your business grew, you have to up that foundation so that it's strong underneath you. That's what I want to help you do. So tune in to that link in the bio on Instagram, to that running little showrunner at the bottom of the thing here, and let's work on your foundation. Personally, I hope you go into this Friday with your foundation in place, knowing that you can recover from anything. I know that I'm saying that in such a wishful thinking way, and I know that there's work that is required, but let's not be at the mercy of circumstances. That's the point that I wanted you to take away today. Hope you got value out of this. I will see you next time on Friday Focus. Happy Friday. Thanks for being here.